Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this beautiful golden eye look with my signature eyeliner. I'm going to show you how I create my eyeliner and how I fix any eyeliner mistakes. This is another affordable eye makeup tutorial also. So let's get into the tutorial. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And then off the camera, I'm going to pop on some false eyelashes. Next, I'm going to take the same peach color and apply it in my lower lash line and blend it out. Then later, I'm going to take the same golden eyeshadow and apply it throughout my lower lash line. I actually picked it up from the Korean makeup tutorial. I really love the way they put this shimmer onto the lower lash line. I really loved it. Next, I'm going to apply a nude kajal into my lash line and then apply mascara to my lower lash line as well. I will take this cream shadow and apply it into my inner corner and on my brow bone. We already have a lot of shimmer, so let's not put any more shimmer on our brow bone. So the look is done. You can wear this look for your parties or festivals. This is a very effortless look, guys. This looks very beautiful both in morning functions and evening functions also. So I'm considering all your requests and I'm going to fulfill them one by one, and I hope you're liking all these things. Thanks a lot for showing your love and support all the time. Do subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my tutorials. I will see you in my next tutorials. Bye guys. Love you. Stay safe.